All right, take it easy. Take it easy. No, slow down. All right, finish what's in your mouth first.
Ooh, yes, good choice. Is that the cap?
Yes, that is the cap.
Can I hold the cap?
No,
I just
you do not.
just wanna
You
hold
don't
it.
get to have the cap.
I'm not gonna
You're gonna
put it
put
in
it
my. I know what you're
you
thinking.
do not
I'm not
get to have
I
the
just wanna
cap.
hold- It's like we're gonna have a problem if I don't get the cap. Give me the cap.
Just
Give
eat
me
the
the
pouch.
cap. Give me
Don't-
the
you're
Thank
just
you.
holding
All right,
it.
See?
God damn! No, calm down. All right, it's not that big a deal.
You ripped it out of my mouth. You know about my mouth and my nose. Don't touch them.
You all done? You want me to take that for you?
No. I got it. I'm good.